So this is a monitor I picked up at Goodwill for $10. It doesn't have a power supply. It's rated for 19 volts and 2.6 amps. And I have a power supply, 19 volts, 2.6 amps. But the tip on it was incorrect, so I found another power supply with the different voltage rating and current rating, but the tip was correct. So what I did is I cut this tip off and I'm going to replace it with this tip. Now before I solder anything, I want to make sure that the tip is the correct polarity here. So I put the red inside there, and I have it set on resistance. So take the black to the white, and that measures 0 ohms. So that is, the white here is the positive. That isn't always the case, so you should always measure the continuity before you make an assumption as to the polarity. And yeah, the black measures infinite. And I want to confirm the voltage is the interior here. So let me just put black on ground and red on white. And yeah, that measures roughly 19 volts. So now I unplug this and I'm going to solder them. Okay, now that those are soldered, I need to get some insulation on them. And that's good enough for now. So now that I've attached the proper tip, I'm going to plug it into the monitor. And no signal present, but it did turn on, so that's a good sign. And let me just apply a signal. And there we go. Works perfectly.